Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Evereth token. Evereth is all one word. That's the name of the token and the ticker symbol for this token. This token is in the top gainer section today on CoinMarketCap. It's doing amazing. It's up 235.14% right now. I don't know if it's up because of the Ethereum merge and maybe, it's making these Ethereum tokens popular. This is actually on the BNB chain, but the name is Evereth, so maybe it's popular because of the merges in the news so much right now. But we're going to go over the information on this token here and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. Let's get into this token here. So yeah, it's up 235% today, doing amazing. Their official webpage is evereth.net. They also have an application. You can find that at evereth.app. They have their BSC scan, Twitter, and Telegram, Discord, GitHub, full white paper, price chart, contract address. All of that is available on CoinMarketCap, as well as a full CertiK audit. So you can find their CertiK audit listed on CoinMarketCap. This is a Binance Smart Chain token. So basically, if you wanted to buy this token, you would fund your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet with Binance Smart Chain. You would go into the dApps, you would find PancakeSwap, and you would trade your BSC for the Evereth token using the contract address that you could find on CoinMarketCap, or you could find it on their BSC scan or webpage or white paper. Just make sure you have the right contract address, and you might have to set slippage if that's in the tokenomics. But we'll go over that. If you don't want to get this token off a central exchange or a decentralized exchange like PancakeSwap, you can get it off a couple different central exchanges. It's listed on ZT and Lattikin, so you could either download those on the mobile app stores or you could get them on your PC. Lattikin and ZT, and you can get the token that way. You would just fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section and search Evereth and simply buy the token that way. So according to their BSC scan, they actually have 32,957 holders. So they're doing amazing, lots of holders. 363,000 transfers, and then they have a total supply here of that's a million, billion, 1 quadrillion tokens, 9 decimal places. And then also on their BSC scan, you can find a contact email, Facebook, Twitter, GitHub, Telegram, Discord, full white paper, CoinGecko, and CoinMarketCap listing, and their webpage. So yeah, tons of info on here. Now, it looks like their white paper does work. It takes a while to load up, so just be aware of that. And they have introduction, abstract, core values, Evereth technology, some info on the Binance Smart Chain, their ecosystem, tokenomics and stats, pre-sale information, fully decentralized ecosystem, Evereth protocol, roadmap, and accomplishments, all available on their page there. So it says, we have designed and built Evereth with a vision to bring together a successful token based on Ethereum due to the original thriving success, as it holds currently the second highest market value behind Bitcoin and has a huge future in the overall crypto market. Our experienced team focused on offering investors a double return. Invest in Evereth, which after development will massively increase in value, and gain in Ethereum, which in the long run will dominate the crypto market. Well, it's doing very well today anyways. Evereth aims to create online spaces for members to socialize, buy, trade, and invest in cryptocurrencies together while earning Ethereum. So Evereth's mission is to enrich and grow and empower our community to help them reach their goals and thrive within the crypto market. If you're new to crypto, you picked the right place. The Evereth community is constantly growing and ripe with activity. With our dedicated team on several social media platforms, Evereth has limitless growth potential. Our team is experienced in every sector, and together we will make Evereth a success. So that's their values and their vision or mission, however you want to say it. So they have the Evereth dashboard. It says we have a state-of-the-art earnings management dashboard where you can see details such as the total amount of ETH paid to the community, when the next reward payment will take place, etc. So I'm assuming that's what their app page was that was listed on CoinMarketCap. So it's got the first of its kind rewards utility. Evereth was established on August 21st, 2021 to generate passive revenue for the community. Simply holding Evereth in your wallet will earn you Ethereum. Evereth is an open source, totally decentralized platform that has been entirely originated, driven, and developed by the community, with a total quantity of 1 quadrillion tokens and half of them being burnt at launch. The current circulating supply is approximately 495 trillion tokens. The more Evereth you own, the more ETH you'll get. Investors will get paid in ETH on every transaction. So I'm assuming that's pegged to paired with Binance. No. Anyway, they're getting Binance Ethereum is what I'm trying to say here. Evereth Calculator. You have the ability to calculate your earnings based on the daily transaction volume. You have the power to edit the daily volume and number of tokens held to predict what your daily, weekly, monthly, and annual earnings would be based on a particular set of values. So they also have the Evereth swap. For the convenience of the community members, we offer a live decentralized swap directly on our website. And then we also have Evereth Wallet, one of the most exciting features for our roadmap currently in development phase. And then the Nft Marketplace. Our Nft Marketplace will allow users to mint, buy, auction their own NFTs. So yeah, lots of utility. Dashboard, Ethereum rewards, Evereth Calculator, Evereth Swap, and then Wallet coming soon, and then the Nft Marketplace. So that's all of their utilities. So their values are community, security, and longevity, it says here. And yeah, basically it goes over what Binance Smart Chain is. We don't need to go over that. It talks about how decentralized is community powered. So basically the dashboard is out, the calculator is out, swap is out, and wallet and Nft Marketplace are coming soon. They're in the works. So it says liquidity, infinite lock, token static rewards here, 10% BEP20 Ethereum redistributed to holders, 1% for liquidity pool, 1% ecosystem growth. So it looks like a 12% tax, but 10% is Ethereum reward, so that's pretty decent. And yeah, that's about it. Now, I'm not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section, what do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Get yourself some free crypto. Thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.